tayo sa Taif. Kasi i-follow up ko yung benefits ko pero hindi ako papayag na hindi ko siya makuha within this week na nandun ako. Inshallah, makuha natin siya. So, para hindi sayang yung effort. Almost boarding na tayo. Antay na lang tayo ng aeroplano. Wala pa kasi siya. Grabe oh. Diba? Nagmumurang iPads na naman, guys. Kasi kaning ako duty hapon. So, literally, wala akong tulog. At mayroong mga kulit na bata dito. Sarap isa ako. Charot. Kaya ko pa kaya mag-baby. Ayun lang naman. Ano pa ba? Wala pa airplane eh. Nandito na ako sa boarding gate. Ito yung boarding. Hindi siya masok, guys. So, kali yan. Yung isang airplane sa baba. Yung kaya din. Ngayon na nagpapaboard na sila. Pero, yun una yung mga nasa priority. So, wait lang tayo kasi zone 3 ako. Lagi ako nasa gitna. Lagi ako nandyan sa wings kasi paborito kong spot yan eh. Pero, hindi ko in-expect na na sobrang dito sikip nung seat ko. Actually, decent naman. Hindi naman siya gano'n kasikip. Pero, malawag na to sa part na to kasi kesa naman sa ibang airlines siguro tama na yung tubod ko. Yun lang kanina kasi ang biyahe namin is 15 minutes lang. Nag-serve lang ng isang water tsaka isang orange juice or juice. Pero kasi ako usually orange so pain. Din tayo, guys. Try muna tayo ng bus. Kasi kahit tatawid lang yan, sasakay ka pa rin ng bus. Literally. So, currently 15 degrees Celsius. Lamig. Ito yung nakakami sa tayo. Weather. Guys, yung bag ko parang basura, oh. Kasi ayoko siyang madumihan. So, nalagyan ko ng dust bag. Ayan. As in, literally, tatawid lang. Nakita ko sa ito yung coaster. Tapos, ayan. Andun lang sa kabila yung yung pangalan to? Yung terminal. So, sakay tayo. Yala. Okay. Sarap. Sarap ng weather. Grabe, gusto ko siya yung pilot namin. Yung bakit, guys? Kasi pag landing sobrang smooth nung ano, magkakababa, hindi siya umaldag. Kasi nang galing niya, bilip talaga ako sa mga ganong pilot. Kaya shoutout sa'yo kung anong pangalan mo. Hindi ko narinig yung pangalan mo. Kung narinig ko lang, kahit hindi ko alam ang surname mo, shoutout kita. Pero even hindi ko alam ang pangalan mo, shoutout pa rin kita. Kudos. You do a great job. How I miss the simplicity of life.
Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high.
Cooking for dinner with my favorite person. Hi! It's nice to be back here in Taif. Hello guys! Hello mga kaltang. So, nandito na ako sa Taif International Airport. Papalik na ako ng Cobar. So, here it is. Kakapasok ko lang. Actually, medyo late na ako. Nagpunta dito sa airport kasi wala naman din akong gagawin dito. Might as well na follow up yung mga dapat ko i-follow up. So, bad news kasi hindi pa natin ako yung dapat natin kunin. So, still I'm praying na within this year or within this month, makuha na natin yung benefits. Sabi nga, we'll keep on praying for that one to happen. Hindi ako nag-vlog kasi dumating ako ng Taif ng gabi. So, wala akong time and ayokong alam yun, ayoko i-document yung mga tawag dito, ayoko i-document yung mga araw na actually, ngayon lang naman ako nainis ngayong araw na last day na. Pero the first and the second day, I tried to control my emotions and my temper. Kasi ganun talaga ang mga lokal dito. Kailangan ututuin mo muna, bola-bolahin mo. Kasi, the more na magsusungit ka, the more na hindi ka nila i-entertain. And, ano pa ba? Ayun. So, actually kanina sinabi ko talaga na sinabihan ko na walang problema sa bank, ang problema nasa inyo. And sabi ko, nasaan yung pera ko? Directly. Because I'm speaking frankly. Hindi ako takot kung ano man yung pwedeng mangyari sa akin kasi alam ko yung rights ko as an ex-employee of the ministry. Okay? Hindi ko sinisiraan kahit na sino. It's just that napunta lang talaga ako siguro sa maling institution. Okay? Walang kinalaman yung pinaka anong word to? Walang kinalaman yung mismong government sector. Yun, wala silang kinalaman kasi ang problema is nasa ospital ko. Okay? So, ayoko nang mag-name drop ng hospital ko kasi sa mga nakakilala naman sa akin, alam naman nila kung saan ako nagtatrabaho before. And, ano pa ba? I think yun lang. Yun, lakas-lakasan pa natin yung dasal. Samahan nyo akong magdasal, guys. Sana kung babalik man tayo ng Taif, ano na tayo, mamamasyal na tayo kasi medyo marami pa rin naman akong places na napuntahan before pero hindi ko siya na-enjoy. So, Tobogan. Gusto ko yan. Ayan. Akala ko magagawa ko na siya this time. Kaya lang talagang hectic yung schedule. Tapos, may sakit pa si Arya. Shoutout sa'yo, Arya. Uminom ka ng gamot, parang awa mo lang. And inumin mo yung vitamin C, please. Hindi ka na bumili, binigyan na kita, okay? Huwag nang matigas ang ulo mo. Grabe, hindi kita kaya. Tigas ng ulo mo. Kailangan ko pa na sa lolo ni Ate Dada. Shoutout sa'yo, Ate Da. Ayan. So, tignan natin kung kailan ma-upload itong video na to. Ayun lang. Take care, guys. See you around. Hello, guys. Thank you, Taif, for a nice 3 days. I enjoyed, even I don't have any places to go. Only my previous hospital, unfortunately. But I will be coming back soon. Morning, guys. Hello mga kalutang, just an update. I landed safely here in Riyadh. So, I will now see my boarding gate going to Dammam. Okay. Because if domestic flights, you cannot see in your boarding pass. So, you need to search it in here. I'll show you there. So it's too much small. Inshallah, I can see that one. I can't see my gate, guys. $507B. Okay. 507B. 507B. Okay, this is also my gate last time. But, yeah, here. It's only here. So, but, I need to go first to a nearest coffee shop. If there is a Starbucks here, I will go there just to charge my phone. Of course, I need to charge my phone. So, this is my gate. I'll show you guys. But I think I need to go and ride a bus going to my airplane. Dakika. This one. So this is my gate. 507B. I will just search for a coffee shop. Anyway, my flight will be on 2100 and it's exactly okay. It is 1850. So early pa. Ba't pa ka nag-English? Okay. Anyway, we need to speak in English because we have watchers or viewers who cannot understand Tagalog. So, I'm trying my best to speak in English. So, I'll just walk and walk until I can see where I can stay. But I will not go too far from my gate. But I cannot see any coffee shop here. All restaurants. Okay, we'll see. So, for the lazy person, I'm riding a Wokalator. We'll go until that side in front, back to my gate, or at least near in my gate. I think this is the maximum, and I am not sure if there is any coffee shop there, because of course it will be a different what is this? There will be differences from the terminal of the domestic flights to international. If international, I am so sure that there is a Starbucks there. Okay. I am on my way to the boarding gate of my domestic flight, going to Dammam, Riyadh to Dammam. So, just I went to the bathroom to pee. Okay, we'll just see where is our boarding gate.